Mosquitoes are a pain in the neck, aren't they? Just when you want to be outside, enjoying the outdoors, you have some unexpected guests. Well, there's a way to handle this with something that is environmentally friendly and will not be harmful to your pets, to birds, to fish, or to pollinators. Now, mosquitoes like to lay their larvae or their eggs in standing water. So what you can do is get a product called mosquito bits or mosquito dunks. Put them in the standing water, and the natural bacteria that is in this product kills the mosquito's larva. It's fabulous. It is a way to have a safe, effective, and chemical-free way to lessen the number of mosquitoes that you have in your environment. So I made some examples here of a way that you can make an attractive water garden that doubles as a mosquito trap to reduce the mosquitoes. So here is a papyrus plant. I put it in a container filled with water, put the mosquito bits in there. Here is a tray with water in it with some flowers, mosquito bits, you're done. Here is a bird bath. You can put some of them in the bird bath and it will not affect the birds. So give it a try. What have you got to lose? Except maybe some mosquito bites.